I want to produce toilet wash, and with this agreement I have here sulfate, and the sodium sulfate is 120 grams, and here I have soda ash. This is soda ash, okay, and the soda ash is 60 grams, so half of the sulfate. And here I have the caustic soda, which is the major ingredient for cleaning there, working against the germs and the cleaning of the clothes, okay. And then I'll be adding silicate there, 2 tablespoons of silicate. I will add perfume there. Color is optional, but I will put color, okay. So what is the first thing I'm going to do? I will soak my caustic soda. I ought to have soaked it before now, so I will soak it and we allow it to cool down, okay. You allow it to, you stir it and then allow it to cool down before we use it, okay. So we mix it and allow it to cool before using it. While we wait for it to dissolve very well, okay, let me remind us once again that I run online classes. You are free to join the free online classes, and if you wish so, you can join the paid group. There's something about caustic soda. If you can take a look at it very well, you see that it's foamy. It's very corrosive. You must be very careful when you are doing it, and preferably you use it where it's an open place, airy place, so that you don't get suffocated. And once you are dealing with caustic soda, make sure you have your protective gadgets on you, like gloves, like goggles, and all those kind of things, okay. You can see it's already dissolving, but we won't use it immediately. We still wait a bit, let it cool down, okay. While we wait for it, okay, while we wait for it to cool, let's continue with other thing we're going to do. Okay, here's my container. I pour my sulfate there, sodium sulfate there, with the soda ash. Okay, I mix it together and then pour 100 milligrams of water, 100 grams of water there, and then I mix until it's also well dissolved. I go on and on like this to mix it until it's well dissolved. Also leave it to settle down too. Still mixing it. It has not dissolved, but the caustic soda has dissolved. We're still waiting for the caustic soda to cool down, okay. So we still wait for this to dissolve very well, okay. Our solution is dissolved to a great extent. So we can now pour our silicate, pour the silicate in the sulfate, sodium sulfate solution with soda ash, okay. So the next thing, we pour the caustic soda. Okay. Then we stir it thoroughly. We stir it. Our toilet wash is getting ready. Okay. Okay. You can see it's well mixed. It's clear. Please take note. You must make sure your chemical dissolves very well. Take your time to mix it. If not, if it doesn't dissolve, it will settle at the end of your production. So I will just be dropping my color now. Just put a little color. Okay. A little color there. Okay, you know we are producing toilet wash. Okay, and most times it's in blue color. Okay, so we are good to go. Perfume is your choice. If you want to put perfume, let me just